Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Python development with Visual Studio Code. We've already covered installing Python for Windows, so now let's unleash the power of VS Code to take our coding to the next level. Head over to the official website of Visual Studio Code website and install the latest version. Run the setup file to install the Visual Studio Code. Open the Extensions tab. Search for Python and install the official extension by Microsoft. This extension unlocks Python functionalities like syntax highlighting, linting, debugging, and more. The next extension we are going to install is Code Runner. Code Runner is a VS Code plugin that allows developers to run snippets written in different programming languages. Other features include running a code file in the currently active editor or through the context menu, running a selected code snippet, After installing the extensions, we will create a new folder where we will save our Python project files. I have already created a folder with the name of test, so I am going to select this folder. Next, we will create a new file to write our first code. Don't forget to write the py extension with the file name, so that the Visual Studio Code treat this file as Python code file. Now we are ready to write our first Python code. We will use print function to print a simple hello world message. And then run the code by clicking on the Run button. Here is, our first Python code has been executed successfully. We've successfully installed VS Code, the Python extension, and configured your interpreter. You're now ready to code, debug, and explore the endless possibilities of Python development. Don't forget to subscribe for more coding tutorials and tips.